Hey guys, this is Jeff with DIomgY. It's been a minute since we talked, so I figured I'd show you this guy. This is the Exocet. This is what I've been working on. It's cold, it's snowy, can't work on the bus, so I'm getting that taken care of. There's a whole bunch of wiring, and what's happening, basically taking something like this, where I got actually useful circuits like this. Well, I don't even know what this is. This is the cooling fan. Kind of interesting and necessary. Turn signals, horn. Both necessary. So stripping out all the other wires, which is this bundle of garbage over here that's not needed anymore, following that all the way back up, tracing it to the connector, pulling it out, getting it out of the way, de-fattening the harness. I think it's called lightning, add lightness or something like that. Anyway, it's boring, it's taken forever, but it's progress. You saw this run, this does run, this sounds good. This is just anxiously awaiting actual track time and seat time. So once I get the multitude of wires taken care of, it'll be one step closer. Stay tuned.